Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to change home screen layout in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to change your home screen layout. Now for the first method, open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to home screen and lock screen. Then go to home screen layout option. And here it is. From here you can change your home screen layout. You can see 6 options here. 3 into 5, 3 into 6, 4 into 5, 4 into 6, 5 into 5 and 5 into 6. And you can set any layout as you want. If you want to set 4 into 6, just select it and then tap on apply and it's changed successfully. Now for the second method, you have to touch and hold on the home screen. And here at the bottom you can see layout option, then just tap on layout and you can also change your layout from here. If I select 4 into 5 and then tap on apply, then tap on done and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can change home screen layout in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.